How to check brake fluid on a Ford Puma. So if you come back here, this is where your brake fluid is located. It uses .4. Make sure you use it from a new bottle. The reason for that is because it's basically hydraulic fluid and it picks up moisture, and as it picks up moisture, it doesn't work as well. Now, you will see a minimum, it's located at a couple spots, minimum line here, as well as a max line there. I find it's more easy if you get a flashlight behind this to look through it, because it's usually a fairly clear fluid. If you wanted to top this up, to do this you would just take the lid off. You could pour your brake fluid in and replace that. It's a little difficult to get back here, so if you want to just get a tube to go back here, or you're going to have to take off basically the clips here and remove this section so you have better access to it. To me, that's a lot more work. I'd probably just take a tube or a small bottle and pour it in. All right, well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and have a great day.